Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where design meets performance. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the Aircross Genuine Walnut Wood ATX case. Yes, you heard that right, real walnut wood blended beautifully with modern airflow engineering. This case isn't just about holding your components, it's about turning your setup into an art piece. Let's start with design. Crafted with authentic walnut wood panels, the Aircross delivers a luxurious, natural aesthetic that makes every build stand out. Whether you're going for a clean minimalist look or a powerful workstation, this case adds an element of sophistication that metal or glass just can't match. Now, when it comes to cooling, the Aircross doesn't compromise. It comes pre-installed with three 140mm PWM fans up front and two 120mm reverse PWM fans in the rear, ensuring maximum airflow from all directions. The airflow-optimized mesh panels not only keep your components cool but also maintain a silent and dust-free environment. You're getting form and function here. Inside, it's all about flexibility. This is a mid-tower ATX case that supports back-connect motherboards, keeping your cables completely hidden for that ultra-clean build aesthetic. The interior layout allows space for high-end GPUs, 360mm AIO radiators, and multiple SSDs or HDDs, giving you freedom to build your dream PC without compromise. There's also USB Type-C front panel connectivity, giving you high-speed data transfer right at your fingertips. Every corner of this chassis screams premium, from its sturdy metal frame to the wooden accents that make it feel like a custom boutique piece. If you've ever wanted a build that looks like a piece of art while delivering top-tier performance, the Aircross Genuine Walnut Wood ATX case should definitely be on your radar. So, if you want to build something truly exceptional, you can buy it now on Amazon, link in the description below. And if you love discovering rare, beautiful tech like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next drop on Gadgetverse.